Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix if the dictation toolbar is not working properly on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now if you can't access settings through the start button, you can always search for it in the Windows search bar. Type settings. Click on that and the same window will appear from here. So here in the list of options on the left pane, you just have to simply click on privacy and security. And under Windows permissions, you will find speech, online speech recognition for dictation, and other voice-based interactions. So in order to make this work, is you just have to simply enable it or turn it on. Now once you have turned on the online speech recognition, let's try. So I'm just going to open Microsoft Word. Click on it. Then we just have to press Windows key and H key together. Dictation toolbar. And as you can see, it is working fine this time. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.